I really need a break. I've been working nonstop for months.
Same here. How about taking a trip together?
That sounds great. Where should we go?
What about Italy? Good food, beautiful cities, and rich history.
I love that idea. Rome, Florence, and maybe Venice?
Perfect. I'll book the flights tonight.
I'll look for hotels and plan the itinerary. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you go.
Are you checking in any luggage? Yes, one suitcase each. Please place your bags on the scale.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, boarding will start at 9:30 a.m. Thank you.
Please take off your jacket and place all electronics in the tray.
Do I need to take out my laptop?
Yes, please.
This line is moving pretty fast.
Yeah, we still have time to grab coffee.
Welcome aboard. May I help you find your seat?
Yes, we're in row 23.
Right this way.
I'll have orange juice. What about you?
Coffee, please.
Meals will be served shortly.
What is the purpose of your visit?
Tourism.
How long will you be staying?
10 days.
Where will you be staying?
At a hotel in Rome.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Welcome to our hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Lily Chen.
Let me check. Yes, a double room for 5 nights.
Is breakfast include?
Yes, from 7 to 10 a.m.
Great. Could we get a city map?
Of course.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
What do you recommend?
Our pasta carbonara is very popular.
I'll have that, please.
I'll try the pizza.
Would you like some wine?
Yes, a glass of red wine. That dinner was amazing. I think I ate too much.
Same here. I shouldn't have finished the whole pizza.
But when will we ever eat pizza like that again?
True, walking will help.
I love how lively the streets are at night.
Yeah, it feels like the city never sleeps.
This is exactly what I imagined when I thought about traveling.
Me too. No rush, no schedule, just walking.
Wait, this doesn't look familiar.
I thought the hotel was this way.
Are you sure? That street looks completely different.
Okay, maybe I made a wrong turn.
So we're lost.
Just a little lost, not panic lost.
This is kind of exciting, actually.
See? Getting lost is part of traveling.
As long as we find our way back eventually.
Don't worry. Worst case, we keep walking and enjoy the city.
Wow, look at this street. It's so quiet.
And beautiful. No tourists at all.
I love moments like this.
Me too. It feels like we discovered a secret place.
If we had followed the map, we'd never see this.
Exactly. Sometimes the best places aren't planned.
Let's remember this spot.
Yeah, this might be my favorite part of today.
My feet hurt so much.
Same. I think I walked over 20,000 steps today.
But it was worth it.
Totally worth it.
Tomorrow we're going to the museum, right?
Yes, but let's not wake up too early.
Agreed. I want to sleep in a little.
Traveling should be relaxing, not exhausting.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Like a baby. You?
Same. I didn't even hear any noise last night.
What's the plan for today?
I want to see the old town first.
And maybe stop for coffee along the way?
Definitely. Coffee is not optional.
I like how serious you are about that.
It's a travel rule. I feel like I've stepped into a movie.
The buildings look so old but elegant.
Imagine living here hundreds of years ago.
Life must have been so different.
No phones, no internet.
Maybe people talked more.
Or complained less.
Or complained in person instead of online.
That's probably healthier. Can you take a photo of me here?
Sure. Ready?
Wait, why do I look so awkward?
Because you're thinking too much.
Okay, I'll act natural.
That's even worse.
Hey, delete that one.
No way. That's a classic travel photo.
You're impossible.
You'll laugh at it later.
Traveling makes me think a lot.
About what?
About life, work, time.
Same here. Everything feels slower when we travel.
I realize how fast I live back home.
Me too. Always rushing.
I don't want to forget this feeling.
Maybe we don't have to.
Maybe traveling teaches us how to live better.
That's a nice way to think about it.
The sky looks beautiful tonight.
Yeah, the colors are amazing.
I wish moments like this could last longer.
They can if we remember them.
I'm really glad we came on this trip.
Me too.
Even getting lost turned out to be fun.
Especially getting lost.
So next stop, Florence?
Yes, I heard the train ride is really smooth.
Should we buy tickets online or at the station?
Let's try the ticket machine. It looks easy enough.
Famous last words.
Hey, look, it has an English option.
Okay, departure, destination. Wow, that was fast.
See, we're becoming professional travelers.
Or just lucky this time. The station is so busy.
Yeah, people coming and going everywhere.
I like watching travelers. Everyone has a story.
Some look excited, some look exhausted.
That couple over there looks completely lost.
That was us last night.
True. We've grown so much in one day.
Or at least we pretend we have. Tickets, please. Here you go. Thank you. Enjoy your trip.
I love trains in Europe. So comfortable.
And the view. Look at the countryside.
Fields, houses, mountains. It feels peaceful.
Way better than flying.
I could just sit here and do nothing.
That's the best part of traveling, doing nothing without guilt.
Do you ever feel like time slows down on a train?
Yeah, no rush, just moving forward.
It makes me think about where I'm going in life.
Deep thoughts before noon?
Traveling does that to me.
Same. It reminds me life doesn't have to be so fast.
Maybe we should take trains more often.
Or at least slow down even when we're not traveling.
We're here.
Florence already feels different from Rome.
Smaller, quieter, more artistic.
I can smell coffee already.
First mission, find the hotel.
Second mission, food.
Always food.
Traveling with you is very predictable.
And very enjoyable. I love this city already.
Me too. It feels warm and relaxed.
I can imagine spending days just walking around.
No checklist, no rushing.
Just getting lost again?
Hopefully not too lost.
Even if we do, I'm not worried anymore.
Same here. That's how you know you're really traveling.